Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about PLC and SCADA software about how to create the alarm viewer by using software Proficy Machine Edition and Proficy HMI Workbench. Okay. So here is the example that I already created the alarm for show. Example, temperature number 1 is high, temperature number 2 is high, or pump number 1 is pressure low. Okay. So to create this alarm, we have a step to do. So let's go to our step for go to install and set up the alarm. Okay, so let's go. So first I need to create the alarm by using the Workbench software and Proficy Machine Edition for create the logic for test. And the second we need to create the actual server. Yes, so the first I will install actual server. Yeah, so let install. Yes, wait a moment for installation the actual server, because it should be log all the data to actual server before we create the alarm. Okay, otherwise it not work if we not install the actual server. Okay, so wait a moment. Now it extracting the file. Yes, it take time. Yeah, around 20 to 30 minutes for install actual server. Yes, but maybe this video is so long, but I would like to show to everyone step by step about how to install the actual server and how to configure the alarm viewer step by step. Okay, so it will take time a little bit. Yes, actually we have alarm viewer and alarm history. So in this video I will show about how to create the alarm viewer first, and in the next video I will show how to create the alarm log. It means that alarm history we can check back. It means that back that. Okay, so go to installation and then go to new actual server. Yes, right now I will use the version 2012. Yes, for actual server. Now it extract the file and prepare to installation. Yes, so maybe take time. Yes, running the rule checking. Yes, okay, so it already extract and checking the role. So click accept and then click next for installation. Yeah, and then click next again, and then we go to next. Yes, for installation. Okay, and then go to the instance. Yes, default instance. Here we can use the default of Microsoft SQL Server. Yes, and then click next. And then go to next. Yeah, next step. Okay, so here we can use the data directory. It means that which drive that we would like to keep. Yes. Okay, so we can go to a directory and then go to add the user. Yes, this is my computer name and this user administrator, and then go to data directories. Yes, and here is the data that we would like to keep, so I can browse and go to drive C, because my computer has only one drive, and then create a new folder, example SQL data. Yes. Okay, and then go this tab again and then click next, and then go to install and config. Yes, and click next again. It will automatic install. Okay, so it will take time a little bit more. Yeah, around 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so please wait a moment for installation. Okay, now it was done for installation. Yes, no error occur. It means that we already completed for install. So close the installation. Then let's go to open the actual server. Yes, let's go to start and go to our program, and then go to Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Yes, and then go to Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, and then go click it. Wait a moment for start up the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Yes, and here is the connection. Yes, so we need to first open the Windows. Yes, authentication. Yes, and then click connect, and then we go to security, go to login, and then to change the password of SA. Okay, SA means that server administrator. Yes, and then I will change the password. We can put another password that we want, but should be remember. Yes, and then I enforce password policy. Yes, and then I go to status and make sure we check the enable for login. Yes, general, and then go to status. Yeah, enable this one, and then go to click OK, and let's go to right click and then go to property. Yes, go to security, and then make sure we click here. Yes, and then here and click OK. So we need to go to disconnect and then go to service for start the service. Yeah, so let's go to control panel, then go to administrative tool, go to services, and go to SQL. Yes, here, and stop and start again. It means that restart again. Yes, and then go to start all program, and then go to Microsoft SQL Server 2012 Management Studio again. And here we can log in SQL Server by username SA, password that we already put. Yes. So we can click connect. Yes. So right now we can log in. Yes. And then we need to create the database. Yeah, one database. So right click, new database. Yeah. And we can put the name simplicity. Yes, simplicity, like this. Okay, and click OK. Yes, and then close the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Yes, and right now we need to configure the project first. Okay, so let's go to our project that we already learned in the previous video. Yeah, go to sound. Yeah, and then go to project property. Yes, and then go to setting, database logger. Right, so first I need to check the project property for database logger first. Yeah, this one. Okay, okay first, and then go to property again, and then go to setting. We have the database logger, but we should go to the ODBC first for configure the SQL data. So go to ODBC. Yes, 32 bits, and then go to the system DNS. So here it has 3 options that we will use. The first one is alarms logging. So let's go to config. Yes, and then let's click here to choose the server that we want to connect. Yeah, so wait a moment for connecting. So here we can provide like the server name that we already connect. Yes, like this. Yes, this one. Yeah, so we can copy this one. Yes, and then go to here and then paste, and then click SA. Yeah, administrator SA, sorry, log ID SA, and then password that we already put, and then go to database that we would like to connect. So simplicity database that I already created. Yeah, here, and then click next, and then go to here and set the English. Yeah, click finish, test the source. Yeah, it shows like this. It means that we can connect it the database. Yeah, click OK, and then go to the points. Yeah, click config, and then paste the server name. Yes, password. Yeah, and then go to the database that we would like to connect. Click next and choose English, test. Yeah, and one more. I can paste password, and then database name, English. Yeah, finish, test. Okay, successful. So right now we already config the server, yeah, and then let's go to database logger, go to setting, and here is the default alarm connection. So click on it and then put the password that we already put, yeah, and then click here for point connection, yeah, put the password. Click like this, we can, it means that we can connect, yes. If it occur the error, it means that we cannot connect, so we need to check the ODBC again, okay. So okay, and then click, yeah, update our project, and then we can start the project, okay. Okay, start the project. So I will use the points that we already learned about in the previous video about the alarm sound. So here we can go to the points, yeah, sound 1 and sound 2 that we already learned in the previous video, and we can right click, but before right click we can dynamic first, go to the enable log to DB, it means that enable log to database, yeah. Okay, so right now it already logged, and then we can check here, go to database logger and go to database logger again and go to data log. We can see the 2 points that we already enable logger, okay. So let me open the Proficy Machine Edition for checking the points that we already learned in the previous video, yes. So let's go to project name, sound system. Yes, and let me online for check the status, yes, and go to the program block, yes. Okay, here person Q 1 and 2 is turned off right now. So I would like to create the alarm, yes. So let's go to point and then check the alarm message, yeah. Go to alarm. Right now it's alarm state. So if we would like to provide some alarm message that occur, we can change here. Example, person Q, yeah. Example, person Q 1 is alarm, yes. Invalid message, so we cannot use the person. So example, output 1 is alarm. Click OK. And alarm should be when the value is 1, yes.
Output %Q1 is turned on.
It should be have sound because we already config in the previous video, yes. So this one, output 2 is turned on, yes.
Output %Q2 is turned on.
Okay. So like this, we can go to the screen and create a new screen for alarm viewer, yes. Okay, I will adjust the geometry, yeah. Example for width 1000, yes, for width. Okay, one more. 1020, sorry, 1200, yes, and the high should be 600, yes, okay, like this. And let's go to drawing and then go to alarm viewer, yes, okay, click the alarm viewer, and then we can adjust, yeah, the screen like this, okay. And then we can go to property, simplicity property, yes. Go to property and then go to project and then add the project, yes. Go to sound, yeah, it is the project sound, yeah. So go to sound and then click OK, and then click OK, yeah, let's test. So we can test the screen, yes. When we test the screen, let's see here, we have output 1 is alarm and output 2 is turned on, right? The same as that we put on point here. It is the alarm message, yes. Let me show here. Output 1 is alarm, yeah, and then let's check here. Output 1 is alarm. So it is the alarm message. So if I turn on this one, yeah.
Output %Q1 is turned on.
Okay.
Output %Q2 is turned on.
And then let's check here. So here we can clear the alarm. It means that we can reset and acknowledge the alarm, yes. So if I force off, remove force.
Output %Q1 is turned on. Output
Yes.
%Q2 is turned on.
So here we can acknowledge, yes, the alarm, because we already turn off the output. So if I would like to force the signal again, yeah, let me show. Okay.
Output
Let's see here.
%Q1 is turned on.
The alarm 1 is turned on, okay, for output number 1, yes. This one,
Output
let's see here.
%Q2 is turned on.
It records the time and the alarm message that we already config, yes. So example, I would like to config one more for alarm, yes. Let's go to here and then go copy, yes. Example, %Q3, right? So %Q3, and this one %M3, yes, and start %Q3, and we can download. Yes. Okay. And then let's go to points, yeah, to take here, dynamic, don't forget, and then we can duplicate for Q3, and this is %Q3, yes, description, yeah, and then go to alarm. So here should be %Q3 is alarm, yeah. So we can change this one to output 3 is turned on, yes, and then click OK. So we can test, yeah. Yes, alarm the same as. Okay, enable. So we can force the signal, and then let's see the result. So let me force on. Yes.
Output %Q2 is turned on.
Okay, let's see here. The output number 3 is turned on. Okay. It record the same as the timestamp that show here. Yes. And I would like to tell this one also. Don't forget tick the alarm. Yeah. Otherwise it will not work. Yes. So it will record automatically to the SQL server. Let me check. Yeah. Go to SQL Management Studio. And then we can connect SA, and then go to password, and go to database, go to table, and then go to data log. Yes. And we can select top row. Yeah. And then let's see the result. Yeah. So let's see here, it already record and log to the SQL server. Yeah. Let's see here, timestamp. The value change to 1 or 0, it already locked. Okay. And this is a tag name. Yes. Point ID, it means that tag name, timestamp. Yes. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video about how to create the alarm viewer by logging to the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Yes. And if everyone have any question, please drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And this is just instruction about how to create the alarm viewer. And in the next video, I will show about how to create alarm logger. Yes, it means that alarm history. Okay. And I would like to request to everyone to like, share, and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.